Welcome to RibFest.
I'm here celebrating RibFest on the beautiful waterfront in St. John, and we are here to help raise some funds to support Camp College, which is a partnership between our pals, Partners Assisting Local Schools, NBCC, and Glen School.
I like volunteering for Pals because it feels like I'm giving back to the St. John Society, and it makes me feel good inside. And helping people, I'm also kind of like helping myself. So that's why I like volunteering for Pals.
Hi, this is the first time we're volunteering for Pals on behalf of JDI.
We're having a great time raising some money for a good cause. Hi guys, we're taking donations for Pals.
St. John, it's such a community of partnerships, and the money that the donations they're raising is going to help students from Glen School, which is in a priority neighborhood, to go take a summer literacy program, which means in the summer between June and September they won't lose literacy skills because they weren't in school, so they're going to go to camp and have fun and keep their literacy skills up. And thanks to the donations here and partnership with Pals and the community college, they'll be able to go for free. It's perfect.